Step-by-step English.
Lesson 1.
Vehicles.
Vehicles.
Car.
Car is a vehicle.
Train.
Train is a vehicle.
Ship.
Ship is a vehicle.
Airplane.
Airplane is a vehicle.
Truck.
Truck is a vehicle.
Toys.
Toys.
Doll.
Doll is a toy.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo is a toy.
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube is a toy.
Fruits.
Fruits.
Watermelon.
Watermelon is a fruit.
Apple.
Apple is a fruit.
Pear.
Pear is a fruit.
Banana.
Banana is a fruit.
Melon.
Melon is a fruit.
Peach.
Peach is a fruit.
Lemon.
Lemon is a fruit.
Strawberry.
Strawberry is a fruit.
Orange.
Orange is a fruit.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Rose.
Rose is a flower.
Lily.
Lily is a flower.
Orchid.
Orchid is a flower.
Aster.
Aster is a flower.
Carnation.
Carnation is a flower.
Tulip.
Tulip is a flower.
Lotus.
Lotus is a flower.
Animals.
Animals.
Cat.
Cat is an animal.
Dog.
Dog is an animal.
Elephant.
Elephant is an animal.
Lion.
Lion is an animal.
Giraffe.
Giraffe is an animal.
Monkey.
Monkey is an animal.
Wolf.
Wolf is an animal.
Fox.
Fox is an animal.
Cow.
Cow is an animal.
Horse.
Horse is an animal.
Sheep.
Sheep is an animal.
Birds.
Birds.
Eagle.
Eagle is a bird.
Owl.
Owl is a bird.
Canary.
Canary is a bird.
Dove.
Dove is a bird.
Penguin.
Penguin is a bird.
Albatross.
Albatross is a bird.
Parrot.
Parrot is a bird.
Pelican.
Pelican is a bird.
Stork.
Stork is a bird.
Containers.
Containers.
Bag.
Bag is a container.
Bottle.
Bottle is a container.
Cardboard box.
Cardboard box is a container.
Barrel.
Barrel is a container.
Vase.
Vase is a container.
Glass jar.
Glass jar is a container.
Tablewares.
Tablewares.
Spoon.
Spoon is a tableware.
Fork.
Fork is a tableware.
Chopstick.
Chopstick is a tableware.
Knife.
Knife is a tableware.
Plate.
Plate is a tableware.
Drinking glass.
Drinking glass is a tableware.
Mug.
Mug is a tableware.
Bowl.
Bowl is a tableware.
Jug.
Jug is a tableware.
Napkin.
Napkin is a tableware.
Jewelry.
Jewelry.
Ring.
Ring is a jewelry.
Necklace.
Necklace is a jewelry.
Bracelet.
Bracelet is a jewelry.
Earrings.
Earrings are jewelry.
Insects.
Insects.
Ant.
Ant is an insect.
Mantis.
Mantis is an insect.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper is an insect.
Ladybug.
Ladybug is an insect.
Bee.
Bee is an insect.
Butterfly.
Butterfly is an insect.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe, share, and ring the bell.